Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is our last alternate card using elements from the June Paper Pumpkin kit called Life is Sweet. We are going to use one of the card bases from the kit, and we're going to use this die cut. It's going to go right down like that, and I have already put some adhesive dots on it, so I'm just going to peel those all off. And we're going to put that down, and I'm going to use the congrats from the kit and a whole bunch of the peach die cuts as well, and we're just going to keep layering them up on the card until we have what we want. Oh, there are a lot of dimensionals or adhesive dots. You could use glue if you wanted to. I just thought the adhesive dots might work very nicely. Okay, so we're just going to center this and drop it down. There we go. Just tap those corners in, and it holds it all down nicely. So, okay, we need to start putting some of these peaches in. So I'm going to use the dimensionals that came with the kit. Pop a couple of dimensionals on like this. And this one is going to go on here like this. The congrats is going to go over top of it. And I'm going to put that on now. I'm just going to add just a little bit of adhesive right there. And I've dimensionalized the rest because we've got the peach dimensionalized. So I'll just keep peeling those off like this, and lay that down like that. And are we straight? Yes, we are. So we've got congrats. If you've got some more banners left over, you could put sweet friend or so much to celebrate. I'm just going to leave it with the congrats. And then we're just going to keep layering in the peaches like this. Some will dimensionalize, some will just flat mount. Maybe put a little bit of more adhesive on that one and pop that in like that. Maybe we'll dimensionalize a couple of the little ones here. And we just keep layering them up until we feel like we've got enough. And then I'm going to add some of the little gems that came with the kit. So just going to keep adding here. Actually, maybe I'll dimensionalize this one rather than flat mount it because the other two are dimensionalized. We will just tuck it under like that, and then we'll flat mount one of these. This is fun. When you're using up the last bits of the kit, you can just go willy-nilly and do all kinds of things. So, and we'll pop this one just up at the top like that. So we've got this whole thing of peaches here, and then we're just going to add in some of the pearls, and I'm just going to scatter them kind of around. Pop one down there, one up over here. Maybe we'll put a large one right there. And should we put another one in here? Nope, I don't think so. I think we'll just leave it like that. That is our last alternate card using elements from the June Paper Pumpkin kit. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this series, and I can't wait to do it all over again in a couple of weeks with the July kit.